Guys, we are on to it again. Now it's a monsoon. Look, the boycott is flooded. Now it's excusable. This is a monsoon. That's how it rains. Lot much. I feel like a heavy rain is going to come with like this climate onto raining. Look, I stamped. It's so wet. It's super like, look at, super watery. How? Trail alongs to here. A big flood. And over there to line. I felt like it's getting heavier. Look over there. Oh my god. I think Malcherry is going to end up flooding. Where? Why? Not even Diwali yet. Still preparing to rain because Diwali is starting. Oh, the cloud kept crying. This was too much to be. Well, let's go inside of the rain to check out. Whoa! Why? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Wait, that's even more worse. Whoa. Look at the wet plants. Not only today, at the 4 o'clock, 3 to 4, in the 3 paranormal time to 4 to 5, it kept raining. Super moderately. Now this is what I'm feeling of. It's raining bit moderate. I think it's heavy. It's making a sound. What did I wish? To October to be like this itself. Look how heavily it's raining. Look at the water droplets by the flood. It's super cloudy yet. And oh my god. What can we do? It's super watery, like how can Malcherry handle this? Describing Malcherry for this. Look, the sun tried to come, but the clouds tried to cover it up. I never want to be here itself, but mainly Gindi like that, and Puducherry was somewhere. Oh my god, near Chennai. This has been a long video, so bye bye. If it rains more, I will record again.